Found this piece of cedar laying in my scrap bin and had an idea to make a bottle opener here because we've got a barbecue coming up for a work event next week, and I think I might just gift that to him. I'm going to see if I can't recreate this 50 caliber shell as the handle. We'll see how it goes. And that's what happens when you get a little too aggressive too quickly. And take a chunk out of it. Still usable. I think what we'll do is we'll chuck in a in stock for safety. This is why I wear full face gear. I want to drill the hole and get that out of the way to see how it fits on the end. So I may be doing this for naught. So get the mistakes out of the way early. I think it looks pretty good. Let's put some sanding on it before I keep cutting into the end there. And then what I'll do is finish it, cut the end off there, and because I'm using this parting tool, it's making a smaller and smaller hole at the bottom. It might actually look like the insert for the blasting cap on there. So it might actually turn out pretty neat the way I'm doing this right here. But if you see, I did a pretty good job there. Not to scale for sure, but I think it looks good. All right, let's keep going. That's pretty stellar. All right, let's put some sanding sealer on it. And then I'm going to run, I actually have some Mylan's friction polish I wanted to try on it. That's inside, so I'm going to go grab that. I'm going to let that just stay on there for a minute. I'm going to go grab the friction polish. What I'll end up doing is sanding it one more time after this dries, and then putting the friction polish on it, a couple coats, spinning it up to 3,000 RPM with either a cotton rag or one of those blue shop towels there, and should come out with a nice shine. So we're going to see about that. Be right back. Looks great. And then it's a shame because I'm going to take 600 grit to it right now and sand it right back off. But that's what it's for. It actually helps fill the pores and makes it shinier in the end. Then the last thing I want to check for here is radial scratches. You see how you got these scrapes right here? You might not be able to see them. No, you can. You got these scrapes right here. Then you just want to take and go sideways on it. Because when we put the friction polish on there, it's going to show up. So we just do our best to hide those. Little work now can make a big difference later. Looking pretty good. So now I'm going to put your gloves on for the friction polish. It's not very friendly to your skin. Make sure you shake it up. Looks like this. This one came off of Amazon. Shake it up good. I'm doing a few coats of this, so I'm going to leave this one right over here and grab a nice clean cloth again for the buffing. All right. What you want to do is turn this up as high as you can go because you want to create friction. And then I put my 2 fingers in there till it gets hot. It's getting nice and warm. Slow that down. Trying to get nice and shiny. Do it again. Put some more polish on it. Turned out pretty great. It's actually pretty shiny by itself. All right, next I'm going to mix up just a little bit of glue. I'm going to put it on the flat side of this thread here, right here, and right here, and then we're going to just twist this on. Once we got that twisted on, we'll turn this part off. And then I think we're about done. I may need to just finish the inside right here where I couldn't get with some of the polishes, but that's easy enough to do. flat side here and a flat side there. Okay, and we want to get that cleaned off as quick as we can because it's going to start to harden real quick. Take this guy. Yeah, it looks like it's nice and clean. Got a good clean edge all the way around. Good stuff. All right, now we just got to part the thing, clean up the backside. And there we are. Yeah, I like doing that a lot slower than the max speed that it was at. And so what it does is it leaves this little nub here. But the cool thing is when I go ahead and sand that down, if I leave a little bit of edge there, I'll have a little blasting cap, which looks good. Be right back. Still looks a little rough on the outside because that's just the way the grain pattern was on this cedar. So what I'm going to do is grab some pretty high grit and see if I can sand it flat. Just don't want to take off too much of it. But yeah, turned out great. Love it. This one's 3000. See how that one does. I don't think I want to go anymore. So what I'm going to do now is just put some sanding sealer, some friction polish on it, maybe some tried and true beeswax to seal up the end there. Let's go for it. Let's take a look at that. Oh man, it turned out great. How close are we? Might have necked it down a little more than that one, but hey, I think this will be better in the hand. Pretty proud of that one. It looks good. Well, if you enjoyed this quick video, I hope you consider subscribing. Hit the bell button to get notifications anytime I release new videos, and I'm going to try and put out more content this year than I did last year, just because I might have a little bit more free time on the weekends. Thanks for watching.